Good morning, guys. So I have an announcement to make. Me and my brother, we have been looking for an Volvo 740 for quite a long time. Yesterday we bought one. We have been looking for this car for over a month and finally we got a nice price. So yeah, here is some footage from yesterday. So yeah, what do you think? So here we have the car. This is how it looks. It is in a pretty decent condition actually. It doesn't have a lot of rust. That is good. Very good for this car. It is a 1990 car. You can see there's a little bit of rust here, but it's not much actually. Almost nothing here. And I don't remember here in the front. Yeah, a little bit here. And I think this is the most of the rust in this car. So you can see it is needing a nice wash, but yeah, we're gonna take a look at that in a couple of days, I think. This is our new Volvo 740. Let's look at the interior. The interior is pretty nice. It was having a like seat cover, so we put that off and it is looking like new. I think the covers were from almost from the beginning of the 90s, so it is like the seats are like new, as you can see. So yeah, this is the Volvo. So we are going to put it in shape and do like some light restoration on this one. Oh yeah, and I actually found some water inside of the car. You can see if I squish this one, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see there's water here. So I have to pull the carpet out, pull the seats out and dry it and find the hole. There must be a hole somewhere. That is what I need to do. Another thing we found yesterday, that was when we drove, the power steering broke, I think, because I will show you a clip here. And yeah, so the power steering, it's leaking, so when you drive you can almost not turn the wheel and it's making really strange noises. We have to lift the car and find out where it's leaking. And you can see here I have pulled the carpet a little bit up because there was water from the front going back. So I started here and this is a little bit wet, but yeah, it's beginning to dry a little bit. But we still need to find the hole. This is it, guys. It's gonna be really nice to restore it, or how you would call this. And I don't know, do you think we should remove this one? Because normally it's not there. I think it is ruining the shape of the car, if you would say so, because it is really squarely car, and I think this is like, it's not fitting in. But as I know, it is stuck. It's an option from the factories. Should we remove it, or yeah, I don't know. Write down below in the comment section and tell me what to do. That's it for now, and I'm looking forward to make this run normally and put it in shape. See you soon and see you next time. Bye.